Hey Denise, this is Kim Galloway, and I just wanted to let you know how much I really loved the Sacred Money Archetypes class. SMA was amazing. I wasn't too sure. It's one of those quiz things, but when I got the results back of being a maverick, that hit every single personality trait that I had. Both the things that I loved about myself and the things that I saw as flaws. As a maverick, I'm brilliant at going out and making money. I'm also really brilliant at spending it. I have a hard time imagining saving money. It's just sitting there. It's not working for me. And I also have a hard time not trying to monetize everything I touch because, why not? But Sacred Money Archetypes was just that loving kick in the butt that I really needed to be able to realize that I was fine just the way I was, that these could be strengths, be aware of the sabotages, but it's all right that I am not a connector or a nurturer or an accumulator. It's great to be exactly who you are and then putting that to play in your business. Looking at how can I make things exciting for me, but still simple to implement? How can I squeeze the most out of everything that I do in my business and just enjoy it? And of course, where can I get those thrills? And maybe it's not by having to buy all the things and live right on the edge of financial craziness. Maybe it can be about having really big months and not spending every single penny. Maybe it's okay to have audacious savings goals or goals to pay off debt. Denise, I just wanted to say thank you again. SMA is fantastic, and I can't wait to see you in the program again.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.